Mosquitoes are the deadliest animals in the world. They kill more humans than wars, crime, and natural disasters combined. And yet, we still have so much to learn about them. Here are 10 facts about mosquitoes that you didn't know. Number 1. Mosquito saliva contains When mosquitoes bite us, they inject us with a cocktail of chemicals, including anticoagulants, to prevent our blood from clotting. But there is a catch. Not all mosquitoes produce the same amount of anticoagulants. And according to recent studies, it may depend on the species. The Asian tiger mosquito, for instance, produces around 7 times more anticoagulants than the yellow fever mosquito. But why do they need so much of it? Well, it turns out that different mosquito species have different biting habits. Yellow fever mosquitoes tend to feed on vertebrates, which have developed efficient defense mechanisms against blood loss. So they need less In contrast, Asian tiger mosquitoes prefer to feed on invertebrates like other arthropods. These animals don't have the same defense mechanisms as vertebrates. So the mosquito needs more anticoagulants to keep their blood from clotting. Researchers believe that these differences in biting habits could be because of where the two species lay their eggs. Yellow fever mosquitoes typically lay their eggs in tree holes or other small containers, where they can float at the surface of the water, making them more accessible to predators. In contrast, Asian tiger mosquitoes tend to lay their eggs in larger, deeper containers where they're less likely to be seen by predators. This means that they need to be more aggressive when they bite, so they can get enough blood before they've re-eaten themselves. Number 2, mosquitoes use a high-tech navigation system. They can navigate over 100 kilometers using a combination of visual landmarks and olfactory cues. To get home, they use polarized light to navigate during the day and olfactory cues at night. Mosquitoes also use olfactory cues to find their way through a forest, even if they've never been there before. By following the scent of flowers, they can easily find their way to a patch of suitable plants to lay their eggs. No! 3. Different mosquito species prefer different temperatures. While most mosquitoes prefer to lay their eggs in warm water, some species prefer cooler temperatures. For instance, Aedes albopictus, also known as the Asian tiger mosquito, prefers to lay its eggs in slightly cooler waters, which may explain why this species is expanding its range northward. Number 4. Only female mosquitoes bite. Male and female mosquitoes feed on nectar and plant juices, but only females need blood to produce eggs. And not all mosquitoes require a blood meal. Some species of African mosquitoes living in temporary pools of water don't require blood at all. Instead, they obtain all the nutrients they need from the plants growing around the pool. No. 5. Mosquito bites don't itch until an hour after the bite. It takes time for the immune cells to arrive at the bite site and start the inflammatory response. During this time, the mosquito saliva starts to take effect, causing the itchy sensation. Interestingly, this itch is not caused by the mosquito saliva itself, but rather our body's reaction to it. Number 6. Mosquitoes are active only for 10 days. Adult mosquitoes are active for only about 10 days. During this time, the female needs to find a suitable place to lay her eggs, which she will do within 2 to 3 days after the blood meal. Then she'll lay around 100 to 200 eggs, mate again, and die shortly after. Number 7. There are over 3,500 species of mosquitoes worldwide, and new species are still being discovered. One of the challenges in studying mosquitoes is their vast diversity. Each species has unique behaviors and characteristics, making it difficult to draw general conclusions. Number 8. Malaria is just one of many diseases transmitted by mosquitoes. They also transmit diseases such as dengue fever, Zika virus, chikungunya, and West Nile virus. In fact, mosquitoes are responsible for over 700,000 deaths each year from diseases. Number 9. Mosquitoes have been around for at least 100 million years. They first appeared in the fossil record in the Cretaceous period and have been killing us ever since. Number 10. Humans are not the preferred hosts of mosquitoes. Even though we are their favorite snack, mosquitoes prefer to bite other animals, especially those with darker skin. This is because the darker skin absorbs more heat, making it easier for the mosquito to find a suitable blood meal. Additionally, mosquitoes are attracted to carbon dioxide, which humans and other animals release when they breathe. This makes us easy targets for hungry mosquitoes looking for their next blood meal. So, there you have it. 10 more facts about mosquitoes that you didn't know. From their anticoagulant saliva to their preference for darker skin. These insects are more complex than you might think. And while they may be deadly, they're also fascinating creatures that play an important role in our ecosystem. So next time you feel like a mosquito is biting you, just remember, it could be worse. At least it's not a zombie mosquito. Now check out 10 incredible facts about cockroaches you didn't know. You did unknow or watch another video instead.